Alright, what's up everybody out there? I know I haven't posted a video in a long time. And between that time, I done ran through plenty of cars. And I have a lot of videos and I'm well behind. But life happens. So today I have a 2002 Nissan Altima 3.5 SE. I don't really think that matters because we're working with the body right now. Taking the factory radio out. Now to take the factory radio out, there's already a video on YouTube, but you just grab the AC vent under it like this while it's connected and pull it out. Snaps right out. When this piece is still connected, it locks. See that little piece right there? You take out the screw, then you get a screwdriver, go underneath of it and pop it forward. Pops right out. Then the factory radio is connected here, 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 and here. That's it. You take out the factory radio. Now, to run my wires, I didn't mean to put it back. Well, I didn't screw it back anyway. Got the wires coming. It's a screw here. And it's another screw right here. I put it back there, but it's not in. The only two screws. Then this will come down. Very easy. I always run my wires mostly the same way. Hold on one second. Okay, I took that screw out. And be very careful because you don't want to break that light and there's a line connected to it. So, easiest way, I was gonna run my wires on the other side, and since the battery is on the driver's side, but it really doesn't matter because the cables we have now and the power wires and stuff, they're powerful. It shouldn't be no interference anyway. I may still run my power wire on the passenger side just to be on the safe side if I put an amp in here. I'm kind of through with subwoofers, amps and stuff. I'm just gonna put two 6.5 subwoofers with a 6x9s go in the back. But anyway, fish the wires through here, or you could do it through this part, which is closer, but I wanted to go where the factory wires was coming from, so I went behind it. Not a problem at all. Still going the same way. See the wires running. Tighten them up under here. I didn't even have to pull this side panel off. It moved enough for me to get the wires through. It's about to rain. Wires coming down the same places as usual. Take this apart, push the wires through, bring the wires through here. I didn't put them under the carpet yet. Make that neat after the video. And I came up through here. I was trying to see if there was a way to get the seat out the way, and it is an easy way. But once you put the seat out the way, you can still run it out of sight, so you don't snag it on the seat and just being lazy and run it this way. Right behind the seat. Push the seat down through the trunk. There's a little latch that let this loose. Run your wires up under here. I grabbed it with my hand because I got real skinny hands. Put my hands together, ran them, put it in the back of the seat that way. Now, when you do it that way, boom, it's in the trunk. Always tape everything together. It made it extra easy. This is for the rear view camera. I'm not sure if I'm hooking that up today or not. But this is a 2002 Altima. I didn't see too many videos on running amp wires and stuff. I know they're out there, but not exactly for this year and the years associated with this model. To get the seat down, you can do it yourself. Just pull this down. You'll hear it. When you hear it, just push forward. And when I run, I might not run the backup camera today, but when I do, I will be sure to make a video. But quickly, right here, the video wire coming from the unit that I ran with the rest of the wires. I'm most likely just going to take the easy way out. I'm not going to lie. It's a long wire. I'm going to run it around. Tape it up around here. Bring it with this grommet. Well, matter of fact, I'm gonna run it inside the carpet. So when I bring it through this grommet, I'm just gonna tape it here and run it around, bring it through the inside here, in the usual spot, fish it through this license plate light, which looks like it's going to be a pain in the ass to get to, but that's what we're going to do. Fish it right through here to the rear view camera. And you know, for the other wire for the camera, the black ground wire, that's going to come from the wire, the yellow wire that's off the camera. That's going to come through here, the red wire off the camera, I'm sorry, come through here. That's going to come and go right to the rear view mirror. And it's a long wire too, so I'm going to run it down here, out the way, come through the carpet, and go straight to the reverse light. I'm not sure which wire it is right now, but you can look that up online or through the car schematics, wiring diagrams, and find out which one is the right one. That's what I'm gonna do. Most likely it's the green. Alright, YouTube, I'm not gonna call this a return. Excuse the dirty, the uncleanness of the car. The car is not registered. I cannot drive the car. I just got the car from my mechanic because my Crown Vic over there is done. Transmission went. I just got this car a couple of days ago. I'm getting it detailed and everything. But first things first with me, my radio stuff came from Amazon, so hooking my radio up. That's all the components, power acoustic components. Well, the name doesn't really matter, but I took it out the Crown Vic. I'm letting the people come get it. It's the reverse cam. It's the wires off the reverse cam. Plenty of tutorials out there about that, so I don't have to get in too in depth. This one goes straight to the radio. This one goes from the black wire to the reverse light. And I'll be hooking all that stuff up later. I have videos hooking up every car I've had. I had about 4 cars since you last saw me with the Lumina. And thanks to everybody out there who still subscribe. Thanks to everybody leaving nice comments, even bad comments, and people with advice, because I'm not a pro like I said before. I do this. It's simple. But this is my video, and I've learned from everybody else out there. EXO, Steve Mead, even guys that aren't well known like that, just regular guys like myself. I mean, they've helped me out a bunch. So thanks to YouTube. Leave comments, ask questions. I'm still learning. I usually drive not Fords, well, Chevys. That was my first Ford at Crown Vic. But I usually drive Chevys and SUVs. I'm learning as you learn. So any questions, feel free to ask. Any suggestions are welcome. Have a great day.